Hello everyone. I guess we are repeating the same hello everyone to every single video. Okay, as of until now, our games are like almost complete. Okay, but the one thing which is missing is good music. Okay, so in this video, what we're gonna do is, as soon as you touch the virus or like the border, you should create a sound like a small thing, like a buzzer kind of sound, and we're gonna give some background music, and this is my fun part also. Okay, so today we're just gonna make some musics. All right, so Karnik, go ahead.
Okay. So for the background music, you can go to sound, and if you already have a song, it's good. Also, you can use the song that's already in Scratch. We are going to use the song that we have.
Okay, we have some background sounds, background music. Okay, so a desktop. It's in a desktop. It's in desktop. Okay, it's called An Educated Man, and it's a copyright-free music, so we can use it, no issues. Okay, so we're importing it. So this is just going to be the background. So it's going to be continuously looping. Okay, so we'll just play a small sample. Okay, so it's a game-themed music. Okay, so this is going to be there, and
so we are going to. We already have another small sound. That when our character hits the wall or COVID-19, we made a small noise that will come in the middle.
Okay, for that show them how. Okay, for that you have to go to sounds or looks.
It's in
First
sound.
you should go to sounds. Then as soon as take start sound. Okay, and drag it to
I'm
where?
going to start sound.
To if touching maze or if touching this one. Okay,
and you should go above the go to.
Above the go to go to x axis. Okay, that's where you have to change, and probably we have some options, I guess. Okay,
So you can choose the song that you want. I'm going to change it to this song, this music sound I have. So whenever my character hits the wall, he's going to be like.
So it makes it like a small death sound. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So now we'll have the background music.
So for that I'm going to go to event, use when green flag clicked. It's been a long time since we used this. So I'm going to go to control, forever. We are going to play the music that we just chose. So I'm going to use play sound until done now. Because if we use this, it'll just be like, it'll be staggering the entire time. So I'm going to play Educated Man.
Okay, so this is going to be the background music. As soon as you click the flag, it will start. Okay, so we're going to stop the music as of now, and we're going to make the view fully expandable, and we'll start the game. Okay,
So
start.
this is how the game will be.
So the music is there, and as soon as we touches it, it goes to the starting point. Okay, nice, right? So it gives a good ambient for the game to play as well.
Yeah. So I'm going to the masks. If you want, you can add new sound for while you're going through masks, like yay and those types of sounds.
Yeah, that is also possible. That's a challenge for you. Okay, probably they can try it out. That's a challenge for you. As soon as the person or the human touches the mask or the hand sanitizer, it should create some hey. That's the sound. Okay.
Or while going to any point, you can add some sound, a happy sound. Like whenever I go there, I hear some money sound coming out.
That we can
Like
also.
coin sound that you always
Okay.
have in games.
So this is, I guess, it's a fun and very easy way of adding music to the program. So the next video, it's going to be the final video, where as soon as you reach the end point, we go to level 2, and then we're going to stop giving you more instruction. It's up to you to create more. Okay, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, whatever you want, you can create. And probably we're going to teach you on how to do in the next video. So we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.